Voice broadcast and text blasting is something that's becoming more and more difficult. A lot of the cities and states are passing regulations against it. So you want to be careful with text blasting. You want to be careful with voice broadcast. They are effective. They do work. But there's a lot of regulations against that right now. So you don't want to find yourself in a very expensive lawsuit because you sent a bunch of text messages or a voice broadcast. You're much better off doing internet. That's where the future of the business is. It's going to be all internet, SEO and PPC, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook. You want to be online. You want to have your Motivated Seller website up and running. If you do text messaging, and now this is for cold traffic, right? So just sending out a blast of text messages, seeing if people want to sell their house to a list or whatever, or selling out, robocalls, voice broadcast, ringless voicemails. Be careful with that stuff. People are getting more and more sensitive to it. You can get yourself in trouble. Just make sure that you are compliant with all the rules and the laws, and that you're using good technology with that, and follow up and follow through on those leads. But be careful with it. Build your online presence, build your social media marketing. Direct mail still works great, and so does networking. I would much rather see you do those than the voice broadcast and text blasts.